There's so much work to do. We need to send tomorrow, though.
Hush. I have to stay awake to get all this work done.
The next morning.
Adib, my hair is still wet, bro.
Yeah, same, man.
I think we still have enough time to take a little nap.
Oh, I like it. Where am I?
Hi Shahman.
Hi Adib.
You guys are stressed because your hair won't dry, right?
Who are you actually?
We just want to explain something real quick. Did you know there is magnet inside the hair dryer?
Huh? What does her magnet have to do with a hairdryer?
Okay, listen. The dryer might look simple, but inside it has a small electric motor. That motor spins the fan.
The motor moves because of magnetism. It has electromagnet and a permanent magnet. When you turn on the switch, electric current flows through the wire and creates magnetic field.
That magnetic field interacts with the permanent magnet in the motor, and that's what makes the rotor spin. The spinning rotor drives the fan, and the fan blows out hot air.
Oh, so it's all because of the interaction between electric current and magnets.
Exactly. That's called electromagnet induction. And there's more. Many modern hair dryers also have an ionic function.
Ionic function? What's that?
When the hot air blows out, it also relieves negative ions. This ion help break down the water molecules on your hair, and it dries faster and get less frizzy.
So basically, everything from the spinning motor to the ionic tag is based on the principle of magnetism and electromagnetism.
So, if you want stress-free mornings, go buy hair dryer.
Oh, man. I think about two beautiful angels talking about the hair dryer. Yeah, I have seen them too. I guess we need to buy a hair dryer tomorrow. Yeah, man. I agree with you. Hey, we already late to.
I'm gonna